Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery in your 2011 Toyota RAV4 key fob. Begin by identifying a gap on the plastic cover of your key fob. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open, taking care not to scratch the surface. Once the cover is open, you'll discover another plastic casing which houses the battery. This casing is secured with plastic clips all around its perimeter. To access the battery, carefully unfasten these clips using your preferred tool, making sure not to damage them in the process. Inside the casing, you'll find the battery, which is a CR2016. Pay close attention to the orientation of the battery within the case, as you want to replace it in the exact same position. With the new battery properly positioned, close the casing and make sure it clips securely into place. Now, it's time to test your key fob. It should work flawlessly. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe.